Hey guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, I have a huge Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Seriously, this is like 3 trips worth of going to the Dollar Tree, and I think I definitely spent about $50 or $60. I love Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is awesome for finding cheap craft supplies. And so yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the thing that I am most excited about, are these 12 Jillian Michaels fitness DVDs. And I love Jillian Michaels. I just love her workouts. And actually, once I got home, I realized that I already have this one. And I actually might already have this one. I'm not 100% sure. I will have to look. But the rest of them, I know I did not have. And my Dollar Tree actually had 13 different Jillian Michaels DVDs. And the only one that I did not get is the one that was for like pregnant women, like after you're pregnant, getting your body back after you're pregnant, because like obviously I don't need that. So I just got these 12 DVDs, and these were only $1, guys. I mean, obviously it's the Dollar Tree, everything's $1, but the lowest that I've seen these DVDs go for is like $8 on Amazon, and they are up to $15 if you go to like Walmart or something. So I thought this was an amazing deal. The next thing that I got are these Pentel high polymer erasers. And honestly, I've never seen these anywhere, but when I was in school, we used to use these in art class all of the time, and they're actually really nice erasers. So I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and I figured that I'd pick one up. The next few things that I got with planning in mind, because I really want to start actually planning out my weeks, and I think I'm going to start doing some planner videos so that I can show you guys what my week looks like and what my video schedule looks like, because I know a lot of people aren't getting notifications, plus having the actual planner video will give me some more content. So I think that I'm going to start doing planner videos so I can show you guys what my video schedule looks like for the week. So I decided to get a few planner supplies. First, I got these washi tapes. And I got a Tsum Tsum washi tape and a Disney Princess washi tape. And here's what they look like on the side. They are super cute, and I can't wait to use these. And going along with the planner theme, I picked up this Jot self-inking stamp, and it's just these little flags, and I just thought that these would look really cute in a planner. I also decided to pick up these Frozen mini washi tapes, and I already have the Disney Princess version of these, and I think another version of these, but I know I didn't have the Frozen ones. And to go along with that, I got this Frozen sticker sheet, and I got this with the intention of using these in a Frozen themed planner spread, since it's currently winter and we have definitely been frozen lately where I live. Comes with puffy stickers, glitter stickers, foil stickers, and reward stickers. So here are the puffy stickers, the glitter stickers, the foil stickers, and the reward stickers. And this is a really great value. For just $1, you get all those different kinds of stickers, and I liked that each page was different, because a lot of the times at the Dollar Tree they'll have packs like this but all the pages will be the same. So I really liked this, and I decided to get it. And again, going along with the planner theme, I picked up these cat and dog stickers. I thought these were super cute and they would look great in a planner spread. And I also picked up these fashion dress-up stickers, and I had these when I was a kid, and I bought these specifically to use for my Wreck This Journal for the Wear This page. So look out for these in a future Wreck This Journal video. I also picked up 5 packs of these Jot gemstone stickers. I got pink, blue, yellow, red, and green. And I bought these because I am actually almost out of gem stickers, so I wanted to stock up. And going along with that, I picked up these stickers, and these are pearl stickers, and I thought that these were so cute, so I got a light blue, dark blue, light pink, and 2 white. And they also had a hot pink and a red, but I didn't end up getting those because I knew that I probably wouldn't use those colors, so I just got these ones. I also picked up this rhinestone sheet, and this one has square rhinestones on it instead of circles, and I just thought that this was really unique. Next, I got 2 packs of these glitter glue sticks, and I bought these for a specific project, which you guys will see coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. And next, I got these 2 Minion blind bags, and I just thought that these were cute, and like I really did not need these at all, but you know, I bought them because when I go to the dollar store, literally my thinking is just like, oh, it's only $1, so like I buy everything. So I got those. Next, I bought 3 packs of this diamond wrap. I got blue, gold, and silver, and I got these on the day before I found all of these sticker gems, which was at a different Dollar Tree. So that's pretty much why I bought these. but I'm sure I will find something to do with them. Next, I got 4 of these shea butter hand creams, and there is a lemon, an apple, a pear, and a peach. And supposedly these are really good. I've been seeing these everywhere on YouTube because before I go to the dollar store, I like to look up Dollar Tree hauls to see what other people are finding at their Dollar Tree so that I can get an idea of some things that I want to look for. And I had been seeing these in a lot of people's hauls, and I was really excited to find them. And honestly, I'm a sucker for cute packaging, and these are so cute. Next, I bought this purple recycling bin, and this is just a super cute mini recycling bin, and that's what the inside looks like. And these are just meant to put on your desk, and I really like how they actually roll. These next few things that I got are things that I'm going to be using to make things to decorate my room. As you guys can see, this is actually my new floor because I've gone about 2 months without having a floor in my bedroom. It's just been concrete because my cat decided to pee all over the carpet, so we had to rip out the carpet. And yeah, it's been a whole long ordeal, but I decided that this is the perfect time to do a little bit of redecorating. And so the next few things that I got are going to be featured in some upcoming room decor DIYs. So I went ahead and I bought 3 of these placemats, and this is just a nice gray color. And the color scheme of my room is purple, gray, black, and white. And so I thought that these would go really nicely. And I bought 3 of these. These are going to be used to make a bedside pocket organizer. I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about, and I will definitely make a video showing you guys how I do that once I make it. And so look for that in the coming weeks. And to go along with the bedside organizer, I got this non-slip shelf liner. And this is going to be the part that goes in between the mattress and the box spring. And I got a non-slip shelf liner so that it wouldn't slide around and it would be a little bit more secure. I just bought a black one of these. They have these in black and cream. Next, I got some more of this quick cover contact paper. And this contact paper is seriously one of the best things at the Dollar Tree. I've been using this to make various things for my room, which I've been posting on Instagram. So make sure you're following me over there if you're not already. And I've made this little shelf organizer. I made boxes to go inside of it. And I also made a drawer organizer. These are going to be used to make 2 more of those drawer organizers. So next I bought 2 of these 5x7 silver photo frames, and I bought these to use in an upcoming DIY. And the last thing that I got was this white wire trash bin, which I will also be using in an upcoming DIY. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below what is your favorite thing that you have ever found from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already and you'd like to be, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!